In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a scenario in Make. We'll take you through the entire process step by step, ensuring that you can easily follow along and execute your scenarios without any hiccups. So let's dive right in. First off, you'll want to go to Make's website. If you're not already there, open up your web browser and type in the URL for the Make dashboard. Once you've landed on the page, ensure you're logged into your account. It's essential to be on the right platform before getting started, so take a moment to make sure you're connected and ready to go. Now that you're on Make, you're going to want to look for the Scenarios tab. This can usually be found in the main navigation area. Once you spot it, give it a click. The Scenarios tab is your gateway to all the automated workflows that you've created or have access to. Think of it as your control center where you can manage, edit, and execute scenarios. Next, once you're inside the Scenarios section, you'll see a list of scenarios you have available. Choose the specific scenario you want to run by giving it a click. Selecting the right scenario is crucial because this is the workflow that will perform the tasks you've automated. Make sure you recognize the scenario by name or description to avoid running the wrong one. After selecting your desired scenario, you'll be presented with an edit option. Click on Edit to enter the scenario's configuration page. This is where you can make adjustments if necessary, ensuring that everything is set up exactly as you intended. Whether it's modifying a module or simply checking to confirm settings, this step is all about preparation. With everything checked and ready, it's time to execute the scenario. You have two options here. You can click on Run Once, which will execute the scenario immediately using the criteria and modules you've set. Alternatively, you can opt to run with existing data. This option allows you to test the scenario using data that has already been processed, providing a way to ensure accuracy and functionality without new input. Finally, throughout the process, you have the freedom to click Stop at any time. This is particularly useful if you realize there's an error, or if you need to halt the scenario for any reason. The stop function provides you with full control, ensuring you can make adjustments or cease operations as needed. And there you have it. Following these steps, you should be well on your way to successfully running a scenario in Make. Whether you're automating simple tasks or executing complex workflows, the ability to manage scenarios efficiently is a vital skill. Thanks for watching and happy automating.